My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that comes from the website Tbs-top.online. Tbs-top.online. This is the website that displays pretty scary messages that try to encourage customers into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. All these pop-ups by Tbs-top.online are absolutely faulty and deceptive. At first glance, it might look as if they try to help people to make their computers clean and free of threats, but in reality, these pop-ups are totally fake. They use the names and the logos of some decent security programs, but they are not related to these security programs at all. If you click on this proceed button, supposedly to fix your computer, these pop-ups will then forward you to a lot of other deceptive websites, and because of that, your computer may eventually be infected with some potentially unwanted programs. In the light of this information, we strongly advise that you do not ever interact with these fake alerts and do not download or install anything that they suggest. First thing we recommend you to do is to carefully check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. Also, we recommend you to carefully research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download the installer, install the application, and start carefully researching your system with its help in order to detect and identify all other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.